Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, you know this podcast that Usne was on? It's a podcast called Podcast About Nothing. There's something or there's a different and a deeper level of appreciation that I have for Umatlele. All of a sudden, you guys, I'm like, that woman is a good woman, you guys, and I feel like there's a big reason why Umselegu made Umatlele his first wife. And listen, the way Usne spoke about Umatlele, I am glad that Usne gave Umatlele her flowers because listen, Umatlele out of all of Msilegu's wives is the one woman that has always been on Sne's side, and Sne confirms it herself. Now, Sne explains something where her mother and Umatlele once had, ingabano where they did not get along. But her mother ended up waiting, or her mother ended up going to make peace with Umatlele. And Sne explains that as maybe she knew, could feel that she was going to leave this earth soon. And she basically placed the care of her child in Matlele's hands. And I think that gives us a lot more context of why Matlele is willing to go. She's willing to go to war for Usne. And now a little bit Alasan Andaba no Sne, but Sne's child Utando, she's willing to go to war for her. So just think of the situation, guys. Like this is for me in my head. I'm playing it out as this is you are with a man, and this man's baby mom is basically giving you trouble. And when she passes on, yes, eventually she comes and, apologize. But when she passes on, she basically asks you to before she passes on, she asks you to take care of her child. I think it takes a different level of a heart to even be accepting of that. Because sometimes, guys, we just accept apologies for the sake of people, are apologizing. But we know very well, even if we've accepted the apology, but our hearts are very far from the person and we don't want nothing to do with them. But the way Umatlele loves Usne, you guys, hi man, guys, we deserve to give that woman her flowers. Yes, we hear stories about stepmothers which they're cruel, they what. But Umatlele, guys, like Sne has never even said anything like that. Umatlele has stood her ground for Usne. I think even there was a scene that proves this. Remember Abu Owami? Owami is Matlele's daughter and Umangwabe's daughter. They were having this whole thing against Umnini, which Umnini, which Babumselegu chooses Umnini and loves Umnini more and whatnot. And they even called Umatlele a meeting on the side to basically address this whole thing. And Umatlele shut that down right there and there. She's like, yege and lent and ifunu izamayo, or yege and lent and vizamu al. Because listen, Umatlele is not going to entertain any type of division that these children are going to try and bring about. But I think she's done such a phenomenal, exceptional job, you guys. And I feel like any chance we get, we should remind that woman that, listen, I know a lot of people say, she's always been mean to the other wives. Never mind the other wives. But when it comes to the children, you guys, I truly do feel as if Umatlele really has a good heart. So that really touched my heart so much, guys, and warmed my heart so much. And I think maybe it gave me a lot more perspective. But another thing that kind of hurt my heart when Usne was explaining this whole thing of when Ubabumselig was not on board with Utando, he'd come to the house and take Uowami out and leave Utando. Yo, guys, that hurt my heart so much. Imagine when as ingane unatsala, you are innocent. Your mother is the one unatsala. And Usne was basically explaining that Umatlele was the one paying everything for Utando's school fees, everything. Babumselegu has only come to the party right now. When Usne has explained that before, but I feel like Umatlele, what Umarasne asked her to do, she really took it in Intlizio yake. And I think, quite frankly, she feels like she needs to play the role of being a grandparent to Utando because the mother, which is Umaga Sne, like asked her to take care of Usne. So since Sne's mother's not there, I feel like she feels a responsibility in a sense of playing that role. The only thing that makes me feel somehow about this whole situation, guys, is that now we know Usamkelo and Utando, they share the same father. And it's just weird for me that two children, they share the same mother and same father, and they can't live underneath the same household. It's sad for me. I mean, it's the same thing with Rio as his kids. And I don't know. I really hope now that Sne's in a good relationship that maybe, I don't know, maybe she'll get married one day and take her kids and live with the kids together. Because the one thing I know, guys, that the quality of life for both of these children on is not the same. The quality of life that the Mselegus are giving Utando versus the quality of life the baby daddy's family is giving Usamkelo is not the same, you guys. So Usamkelo obviously apparently 6 or 7 now. He can see certain things. He could be envious of the life that Utando is living, SC Park. So that is a very painful thing. And quite frankly, I don't wish it upon any child to feel like that or to feel like your parents or your families chose one child over the other, even though there's context to the story. But anyway, this is about Matlele. So Matlele halala, we say congratulations. Thank you for proving that not all stepmothers are evil. Thank you for, thank you for being a woman, because that's really what it's about. Thank you for being a woman, because you don't need to be a mother to a child. You don't need to give birth to a child in order for you to be a mother to them. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think about this? Yeah, tell me, what did you think about this? Please make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.